What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, guys, it is hump day, but it's really, Tuesday, and it's not Taco Tuesday. So I asked the kids what they wanted. They said, Mom, can you do Chipotle? I said, how about we do our own? So I am doing my version. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Chipotle their way, and then my way, okay? So I am doing Chipotle Bowl. So I don't really eat that. So I was asking my kids, they always want, what do y'all get in y'all bowls? And they told me they get the rice and the chicken. They told me corn, black beans, lettuce, guacamole, sour cream, and tomatoes. So I went to Aldi's. You know I ain't go to Aldi's. I had my groceries delivered from Aldi's. Got everything, cilantro, lemon, limes, and I got all my seasons that I always had typically in the house. And I already had a pack of chicken breasts I got from Aldi's last week. So before we get started, and you can use what rice you want. Brown rice, white rice. I use jasmine rice. And before we get started, the rice is what we're gonna do first, just because it cooks longer, so we want to get that started. So let's go to my sink. Okay, guys, right in this pot that I'm using to boil my rice in, I have 2 cups of rice. If anybody know how to make rice, you know it's like a cup of rice to 2 cups of water. So I got 2 cups of rice that I measured out evenly with my measuring cup. And I should have showed you guys that, but this is for solids right here. This is what I use, 2 cups of this. And so what I'm going to do first is some cold water. I'm going to just rinse my rice off, and that helps with like getting rid of some of the starch and all that stuff in here. So I'm just going to rinse my rice off, and I'm got my strainer here. Let me cut off the water. Just going to rinse it off and take my black strainer here that I had sitting to the side. And I'm just going to do it again. Now, I should have had it in the strainer from the beginning, but I just had it in here. On my center, man. Just going to rinse the rice off. Again, this helps eliminate some of the starch with the rice. And to me, it helps your rice cook better. And believe it or not, I just recently learned this about a couple of months ago. I know I'm using some rice, but not that much, guys. Set to the side. Look at that. So, what I'm about to do next is that take my measuring cup right here. And let's just come on over here. Okay, so this is 2 cups of rice. I need 4 cups of water. But I'm not using 4 cups of water. I'm going to use 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of water. And this is a 4-quart measuring cup. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to put in 2 cups of water. And it's 2 cups of water. Turn that off. Because I want my rice to have flavor. So that's why I'm doing this. And I'm doing 2 cups of chicken broth. And 2 cups of chicken broth. Yes. And let that rice get some type of flavor. And then what we're going to do, just smell it. It smells so good. That's just the broth. I'm going to take a half a lime. If I can get a cut. And I'm going to squeeze. You know, you're dealing with Mexican food. They use a lot of limes and lemon, cilantro. And I got some cilantro too. Just going to squeeze about 2 teaspoons of lime in there. I'm going to put in some half a piece of lemon. The lemon juice come out more easy than the lime. Okay. There's a couple of teaspoons there. And this is all this to help get everything nothing but flavor, guys. So this rice, you know, takes about 20 minutes to cook. I got it on a medium heat. I'm just going to let this boil. And when this rice gets halfway done, then we're going to start on the chicken so that everything can be done at the same time because you want everything hot. So we'll be back in like 10-15 minutes to start the chicken while the rice cook on medium high. Okay guys, so my jasmine rice is ready. I kind of maybe a little bit sticky, but it's okay. My kids eat anything I cook, honey. Make sure you overcook yours. I was in the living room doing something. I don't know. But I had some cilantro. Not a lot, just a little bit of cilantro. You can smell it. It smells so good. And I'm just going to chop my cilantro up, guys. You're also going to need this. Ooh, this smells so good. And it's really strong. It has like a lemon smell to it too. So you don't need too much. I'm just going to use a little bit to decorate. Yeah, it's strange. I'm not using parsley. I'm just going to use a little bit just to go in my rice. I know y'all going on me for my rice. And guess what? I ain't making no more. My kids is going to eat it. I don't know how I did that. You know, we all make mistakes in the kitchen. Child was doing something. Squeezing a little bit of lemon juice. Get that rice flavor. Some lime. Whew. I got my grease on over here, guys, getting hot because I'm about to put my chicken on. I'll tell you guys what I did to that chicken. Yes. I'm just going to stir it up in there to get the rice, nothing but flavor. And then I was told too, jasmine is kind of a sticky rice. Maybe I should use regular rice, but hey, it is what it is. The girl not perfect. I mess rice up. Ain't not messing no damn rice up. Oh, but we gonna go with the flow. We gonna keep rolling in his kitchen. Okay, so that's Joshua egg done. Oh, okay. So in this bowl, for 2 hours, I took some regular chicken breasts, 3-pack of chicken breasts. I just cut them up. I seasoned them with some taco seasoning, some cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Put all the seasoning in that chicken. Put in about 1.5 cups of buttermilk and let it soak. And now I got my chicken on the low, and I'm just going to shake it all one by one. Yeah, with buttermilk. I just want my chicken breast to be tender. But yeah, I soak it in buttermilk. You could just cut yours and marinate it in the seasoning. But I just like chicken breast. I'm not a fan of white meat. And the buttermilk just breaks down the muscles in that chicken and just help it. And I got some olive oil, extra virgin. I'm not going to mess with them until it's time to flip them. Just going to let them cook. And I got a whole bowl. Just going to let them cook. Do its thing. When we come back, we're going to flip it over. I'm mad about my rice, y'all. I might make some more rice. Because I can't go out like that. I got to watch my rice. Hell no. We make some more rice. I'll be back. Guys, look at my chicken. Yeah, eating that chicken because they said it tastes like the taco, because I told you. Before you marinate the chicken in your buttermilk, guys, season it with some taco seasoning, some garlic powder, some cumin, and some pepper, yeah, and onion powder. And then massage all that into your chicken, then pour it into some buttermilk. Look at this chicken cook. And we're not going to wash this pan. I got 2 cans of corn that I drained. This came out so good. And I'm not making no more rice, guys. You know what? I don't believe in wasting food. You guys, if you make your rice right, and then I just thought about it. It is jasmine rice, what comes out a little bit more sticky than regular whole grain rice. So if you use whole grain rice, still do it the way I told you. A cup to 2 cups, 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. my corn. And your corn. Throw it in that seasoned pan. Just like that. Now to this corn, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of cumin. I pronounce that cumin. Some of that taco seasoning. Just a little bit. And I'm going to cut up some of this cilantro. Now, not a whole lot of cilantro, guys. Just stay on there, cameraman. I'm cutting up this cilantro. Not that much, but just enough. So I like to have my green up in there. We're going to let this do a fry. Turn it up on high. And let it fry. Not the flavor with that corn. While that's on high, I got that on high. I got my black beans right here. We're doing the same thing. Some garlic powder. About a teaspoon of everything. You're getting seasoned to this food. Some cumin. You're not going to throw a can of black beans on the stove and be like, oh, there you go. Everything have to have that taste to it. You know what I'm saying? And along with that, we're going to squeeze in some more lemon juice. Yeah, there ain't no black beans. I'm using all my lemons and limes. Okay? Squeezing some of that lime juice. Just a little, folks. Just a little. And the same with this corn. A little bit of lime juice. A little bit of lemon juice. You got it frying. Let that corn fry up. And let these beans get hot. I'm going to let my chicken cool off. And I'm going to dice the chicken up. Look, I'm making a mess. I ain't even turned this on the stove on for the beans, did I? Alright, the stove is on for the beans. Let that come to a simmer. About 10 minutes of canned beans. And finish letting this fry. I got the stove turned up high on here. You got that flavor from the chicken or your corn. Remember, it's not Chipotle. It's my kitchen, my way. It's a good recipe. Anytime your family wants Chipotle, do it at home. And all these got it. Yes. You're going to let that fry, let the chicken cool off. When we come back, I'm going to pull out the sour cream, the onions, chop up the chicken, get the tomato and the lettuce. We're going to put this bowl together. Guys, got my chicken. It's cooled off. I'm not chopping it up too small. Just a little bit smaller than what it is. You know, just to make sure everybody gets some in their bowl. You know, just to be fair all around the board. Look, I'm on the chopping board. I said all around the board. This chicken, oh my God, it's tender from the buttermilk, seasoned from the taco. And if you want a little extra taco seasoning while it's frying, sprinkle some on there. Ooh, but I don't think I need to. It is good. Chicken look good. Show the corn and the baked beans. I mean baked beans. Look, I didn't eat the chicken. And the flavor of the chicken is wonderful. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is my last piece. Am I trying to say you get that piece? The chicken is cut. Ooh, and this one. That taco flavor seasoning. Guys, I'm going to wash my hands. We're going to cut up this lettuce, tomatoes. I'm going to pull down a bowl. And we're going to put this thing together. I'm going to get the guac and the sour cream. I didn't make the guacamole. Again, everything came from Aldi's. Low cheap price. You know that's in the store. Wash my hands. We back. Okay, guys, we're gonna cut up the tomato. All over my same bowl. You know I don't care. And this ain't cut right. The dull knife. Oh! I'm sorry, guys. Oh, man. It's like, you know, some videos just so go right. I don't know, they meant to me to make this bowl. But I'm fighting through. The jasmine rice, these long grain rice. People. These long grain rice. I'm fighting through this video. This video won't get made. Ain't nothing stop me from making this video. It's like every time I want to do something in this video, it's going wrong. Saying, girl, you ain't making no Chipotle bowl. I'm making a Chipotle bowl today. Hey, that lettuce came out right. Okay, and my rice really turned out good because it is jasmine rice. Look at it. It's supposed to be a little sticky, but look at it. It came out pretty great. I'm not wasting no rice. So, I'm not sure how you put a bowl together, but it's whatever you want. Put it together. Hand me the beans. Put them right here. So, the black beans turned out good. So, we just going to go with, let me go, with some chicken. Put everything on the side. I got my little personal bowl. Some black beans. The fried corn. And they can mix it up themselves, right? Then you go with some what? Something red and vibrant. Like the tomatoes. Yeah, right? Then you sprinkle some lettuce on top of there. For my kids, I said, what are y'all eating, y'all? Lettuce. Personal bowl. Right? Then, hey, now bring the spoon. I'm gonna see y'all use this. They like the guacamole on it. The kids do. I don't know if I want to center it or they're gonna stir it up or how they gonna do. That's enough guacamole right there. And then this is not open. Let me see. Nope. I gotta open this up. Okay. I'm just gonna do just like this. A dollop of sour cream. Is that enough sour cream? We gonna clean up this mess. Look, it's my house. Your house may be different, but I think I can put together a Chipotle bowl. I'm not keep giving up my $8. It's right here in my home. Let me dry off my sweat. Get all this stuff out the way, and we're gonna take a picture in this video. Okay, guys, my Chipotle bowl in my house for my family on a Tuesday night, and Brandon here making tacos, so my kids are going all out tonight. But I wanted to record my Chipotle bowl. Well, what is this called? My version of a chicken Chipotle bowl, and we do have burritos. Yeah. Okay, guys. My flour is available. The link is going to be below to my online store. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Tell everybody about my channel. Hope you enjoy this recipe. It's quick, as easy as your home. No more Chipotles. Do it in your house. Yeah, I'm leaning. I got the fat girl lean because she's tired. But it's about a 45-minute meal, guys.